Hello, I'm Doc Strong from Resume MD, and I'd like to talk to you about the Vampire Facelift procedure. Unlike most procedures, the Vampire Facelift offers a way of restoring shape and improving tone and texture, as well as literally growing new, younger tissue. Okay, here's the bottom line of the Vampire Facelift procedure. The reason why it's called the Vampire Facelift is that we start out by sucking your blood. Not a lot, just about 2 tablespoons. We then spin the blood in special tubes and centrifuge that are FDA cleared to extract the platelet-rich plasma, or PRP. I then inject hyaluronic acid filler, I'm currently using Juvederm, in key areas to enhance the beautiful natural shape of your face. I'll talk about the importance of shape on beauty in just a moment. The PRP, which is packed with growth factors, is then injected strategically to areas in need of regeneration and rejuvenation. When these growth factors enter your face, multipotent stem cells become activated to grow new tissue. This new tissue includes new collagen and fatty tissue for smoothness and new blood vessels for a healthy glow. The good and bad of this process is that all this growth takes time. You'll see peak results in about 12 weeks. That means you have to wait to see the results, which also means that the change is gradual so you won't shock people with a sudden younger appearance. Let's now talk about the 4 elements of beauty: size, shape, color, and texture. Improving shape does the most to enhance beauty and a more youthful appearance. As we age, we lose volume in the form of bone and fat in our mid-face. That flattens the shape of the cheekbones, which causes the rest of the face to sag and appear older. Restoring the shapes of the cheeks to a younger, cheekier version of yourself is one of the most important steps in turning back the clock and giving you a natural, more rested, youthful appearance. Both filler and PRP play a vital role in revitalizing the shape of your face. Next to shape, texture may be the most important component of beauty. Aging causes the skin to be thinner and crepey. This exaggerates small lines and wrinkles. Thinning skin is caused by the loss of collagen and subcutaneous fat and tissue. That's one of Mother Nature's cruel jokes by having us lose fat in our face, but gain it everywhere else. The good thing is that PRP works to restore the loss due to aging, leading to smoother skin texture that appears more youthful. At Resume MD, we can also help with the fat gain in other areas. The third element of beauty is color. Independent of skin tone, youthful skin is brightened by the underlying good blood flow seen with excellent health. Also, an even skin color looks more natural and younger. PRP stimulates growth of new blood vessels, regaining that healthy, even glow of youth. Gray, pale, and patchy skin looks less alive. Think of Mr. Burns from The Simpsons. The least important element, at least in the face, is size. Consider the size of the lips. The movie stars of the 1920s had small, thin lips, but they displayed beautifully shaped lips. Making lips larger without creating a beautiful shape can make sausage or duck lips not attractive because they're not natural. So the increase in size must be done in a way that still appears natural and beautiful. When you look for an injector, remember, a matter of millimeters can be very dramatic, and overcorrection can be worse than no correction at all. The Vampire Facelift addresses all of the 4 elements essential for a beautiful face. The hyaluronic acid filler combined with the platelet-rich plasma corrects shape and improves texture. The platelet-rich plasma creates new blood vessels in the skin, bringing a rosy color to the surface. The PRP improves texture by increasing collagen and fat production. The PRP also causes restoration of the volume that is lost during aging. From an artistic view, filler is used to sculpt a naturally beautiful shape. Then PRP is used to polish the sculpture for improved color, texture, and shape. So here's some questions I get asked. Does it hurt? Well, more than a tickle but less than doing your taxes. I wish I could tell you that it doesn't hurt, but most people experience a little, if any, pain. We do use a strong numbing cream that decreases the pain, but some areas are more sensitive than others, like around the mouth. How long does the Vampire Facelift last? The Vampire Facelift works in part by having you grow new, younger tissue that sets back the clock, then it starts to age from there. How long it lasts depends much on your lifestyle and how well you take care of your skin. Remember that the Vampire Facelift resets, not stops, the aging clock. The The fading is due to natural aging rather than the injection going away. Most people will need a touch-up in about a year. What's the difference between the Vampire Facelift and the Vampire Facial? The Vampire Facelift involves a specific way of injecting filler and PRP to create a more beautiful shape, color, and texture. The Vampire Facial involves the microneedling of the face to stimulate collagen production and to open up thousands of portals for PRP, which, in addition to the Vampire Facelift, helps improve texture and color. Can this therapy be applied to the breast? Absolutely. The Vampire Breast Lift does not increase the size of the breast, but does beautifully well for stretch marks, for loss of volume in the cleavage area, and for essentially reshaping the breast the way a good bra might. Excitingly, we found that by putting PRP around the areola and nipple, women who've lost sensation of the nipples due to implants or breastfeeding will regain sensation and the intensity of sexual pleasure of the breasts. More information can be found at www.vampirebreastlift.com. How much does the Vampire Facelift cost? The Vampire Facelift procedure costs about $15,000 and includes 1 syringe of Juvederm. Okay, I meant $1,500, but if you wanted to pay us $15,000, we'll take that too. At Rejuve MD, we know the importance of a face. People know you by your face. Friends look at your face. Your lover relates to your face and falls in love with it. Your children look at your face for comfort. For these reasons, we thank you for considering Rejuve MD to enhance such a sacred part of your body. When you're ready to schedule your procedure or need more information, call Rejuve MD at 262-373-0169. You can also find more information on Dr. Runnels' site, the inventor of the Vampire Facelift, at www.vampirefacelift.com. Again, I'm Dr. Strong from Rejuve MD, and I thank you for your time.